Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be looking at the CIDA Rapid USDT signals. But let's do the not so fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for information purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. Okay then. So Cedar Rapid, this is from the same people who did Cedar Premium. But in this case, it only supports Binance and it only supports USDT. So in case you just have a Binance account and you don't want to trade in BTC and stick to USDT, this is one of the signals that works well. I've used it, and it's a pretty nice signal. So let's dig in deeper. Okay, so again, it's by the CIDA group. That's their official Telegram. You can always email them. They do reply within 24 hours. And I think their website is still under construction. You can look at the amount of signals that are coming in. Here you can see different pairs, so it's not the same thing, and it's one exchange. So that's great. That's like at least 20 signals in a day. And you can see the profits being made on that. Let's move forward and see. Whoa, so still 40, 60, and so about 70 signals in a day. What you noticed here, what I just noticed as well, they are supporting UB as well. Let's see if they, so it's just one signal that came out in UB, so majorly Binance. So it supports Binance. So in terms of bot settings, let's go into bot settings. While this loads, I opted for CIDA Premium because it was supporting BTC as well. If I was to only trade in USDT, I would go with this, because it does have a lot more signals than CIDA Premium, because that gets divided between the USDT and the BTC pairs and different exchanges and all that. But in case you're doing only on Binance, only on USDT, this is one of the really good ones out there. So let's look at the settings. So if you look at the performance, it only shows the monthly performance, but it's not a biggie. And I'm sure it's on paper trading, because this is a huge amount. But it's a good signal. Let's jump into copying it and going through and analyzing it. Let it load. Okay, let's go here. Okay, ignore and copy. Okay, so we can say over here, yes, Cedar Rapid USDT. Another difference with this one and the premium one is that the premium supports selected coins, whereas here you have all of them, and the amount is a lot. So let's play around. So first of all, it's a multi-pair bot. It is a USDT all bot. You have all the USDT over here. Make sure that you remove all the BTC up and BTC down. These are leverage pairs. I normally, what I do is I put them, either I remove them over here, and if I have too many bots which has these, then I just simply add them to my blacklist. Let me show you how to do that. Let's do refresh. Here you go. So this is where you go and you add in all the pairs that you don't want to, all the stable coins, as well as the leverage tokens, and some tokens that you just don't want to trade. Let's go back here Okay, so right now, of course, you don't want so many deals. So again, let's stick to 10. So for 10 deals, this is the amount you would need, and it gives you a coverage up to 40%. Uh, Base order 10, safety order 10, same size, it's not the double. Signal is Cedar Rapid. Take profit is, very moderate, 2%, and 0.05. I would go with 0.2, 10% of this. That's definitely something I will change. 5 safety orders with a deviation of 3%. Safety volume double every time. Safety order step scale at 1.5. No deal start condition, simultaneous. So this is like how it comes out of the box, you know. Let me just quickly show you this if it's loaded. Yeah. So for example, if you want to blacklist something, you go here, right, up. That's for BTC, for every exchange, it has different namings for leverage tokens. So make sure you take those out if you're not up for it. So when you write up, you can start clicking and adding these and take them out, and also make sure you add in all the stable coins so that it does not open deals on stable coins as well. And PAX is like a gold equivalent coin, so I take that out. And then there's some coins which are gaming coins that I don't like. So another way to avoid this, but this is very important. You have to do this, or you just take them out over here. You don't include them in over here. So let's look into what are the changes we would like to do. Okay, so the first thing that we would like to do, and which we have done, is this. And then I feel at the moment we don't need so much deviation in market when things are a bit bearish. When you see BTC corrects at 10%, some coins do correct up to 40 and even more. But at the moment, locking your funds in, keeping the market trend in mind, is not a good idea. So I would go with 4, and I would increase this to 3.5, and yeah, and maybe if you want to just bring it to 30, 1.5 to 1.5354. Yeah, that is good. 30. Again, when you have a lot of these coins, you don't want to trade shit coins, and to avoid that, the range is 100 to 250 BTC. Minimum volume, I'd say 100. And if you see that it's still opening some trades with shit coins, go ahead and increase this up to 250. Some people even use 300, but you don't want to miss out on some nice deals. Simultaneously, I don't want 2 pairs, I just want 1 pair. And yeah, the rest remains the same. And this you can increase. I have increased this to 3 as well. And in a bullish, when everything is really bullish, or 2.4 as well. Double. Instead of 10%, we make 20%. So, or you can just say, I don't want any trailing, I just want 2.5%. Okay, so let's stick to that. And then remember to remove all the stable coins and stuff, like for example this, and remember to remove all the leverage tokens, for example these. So you can go remove these, or you can always add them to the blacklist over here. Okay, so yeah, so now we have an amount of 161610. Always keep 30% for reserve to rescue deals. We have a coverage of up to 30%. And then yeah, and let's look at the table once just to get an idea. So The base order, the safety order will open at 3.5, then 8.89, then 17, then 29, which is great. Again, you can play around with these settings as per your own funds and see, oh, I don't have 1600, how do I do this? Oh, okay, let's break it 5, 800, oh, how about I increase this to 15 and this to 15. Yeah, that's come around the point. I got 1200. So you can always play around and keep increasing it as you see the results. As you trust the bot signal more and more, you can increase and tweak it to your need and depending on your available funds, and how the market is. If you feel like, oh my God, the market is like, there's a lot of fear and everybody's like, oh my God, the Bitcoin is going to fall, or this is going to happen, or some regulation is going to come. Either you stop such bots which don't have a huge deviation, this is still a very moderate deviation, or you just let them run, and then once the dust settles, you rescue your deals and add funds, or you tweak them. Oh, everything is getting very, very bearish. Let me just add a safety order, and then hip, you got 50% coverage here. So yeah, so this was a review and an overview and analysis of the Cedar Rapid USDT signal, which is one of the best available, and it's just for $20. Sometimes they have promotions of $10 and free as well. So yeah, I wish you all the best with this. I don't know why I said that, but anyways, if you like this video, please do smash the like button and do subscribe if you want to keep watching what I've been making, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz Van Winkle, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.